Keep in mind that PragmAlchemy works with, not against, pain to enhance circulation, detoxification, and energy flow. The objective, to repeat the point, is to become a pain searcher, learning to tell the difference between good pain and bad. Good or tolerable pain indicates you're accessing adhesions at the level of your connective tissue. These frozen fascial restrictions often attach to bone, which means you have to reach the bone to undo them. By standing in your bare feet on your Ouroboros, you're doing just that. How much pressure you should apply depends on your pain level. Whenever you feel your breath catching, indicating bad pain, simply ease off until you can breathe easier. At this stage, you'll likely notice that the discomfort, while still present, has become manageable good pain.